Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the fourth exercise of chapter 5. This program will ask the user to enter the monthly expenses like loan payment, insurance, gas, oils, tires and maintenance of an automobile, and then it will calculate the total monthly expenses and the total annual expenses of the automobile. Let's write the program. So first create a variable loan and set this equal int input, enter the monthly loan payment, after this create another variable gas and set this equal int input, enter the monthly gas expenses, create another variable oil and set this equal int input, enter the monthly oil expense, now create variable tires and set this equal int input, enter the monthly tire expense, and at last create a variable maintenance and set this equal int input, enter the monthly maintenance expense, here input is misspelled, here is single p, now correct. Now define a function to calculate the total monthly cost. Def total monthly cost, this will calculate the total monthly cost and will return that cost. So return loan plus gas plus oil plus tires plus maintenance now create another function that will calculate and return the annual cost of these expenses. Def annual cost. Now return total monthly cost multiplied by 12. As there are 12 months in the year, so it will return the total monthly cost multiplied by 12. At last, print new line and now print your total monthly cost is followed by the value returned by the total monthly cost function. And print your total annual cost is followed by the value stored value returned by the annual cost function. Now run the program. Automobile cost. Enter the monthly loan payment. Let monthly loan payment is 15,000. Enter the monthly gas expense. Monthly gas expense is 10,000. Enter the monthly oil expense. Oil expense is 3,000. Enter the monthly tire expense. Tire expense is 2,000. Enter the monthly maintenance expense. It is 4,000. Your total monthly cost is 34,000. Your total annual cost is 4 lakh and 8,000. It has returned total monthly cost and total annual cost, and at last the program printed total monthly cost and the annual cost.